Welcome to Business Engineering, and thank you for joining us. This is episode 1 of our Basics of Business series. The goal of this presentation is to help emerging business leaders prepare to understand advanced topics by having a solid understanding of business basics. Let's go explore. Business engineering tackles complex management, technology, and business topics. We are unique in that we provide analysis and meaning by leveraging executive experience, evidence-based research, and doctoral-level academics to give you working knowledge to improve your business. The key points we will explore in this presentation are: what is a business, what is its purpose, how are businesses categorized, and who benefits from a business. In a research environment, these points serve as our research questions. To explore this topic, first we will define the reference to a business, then provide some background on the emergence of business into society, identify common and differentiating characteristics, including the purpose of a business, and then identify what is the expected impact of a business and who are its beneficiaries. Let's start by defining a business. A business can be defined as an organization or enterprising entity engaged in commercial, industrial, or professional activities. Businesses are often associated with aspects of research, design, development, production, and distribution of goods and/or services. Businesses generally deliver their product, which could be goods or services, in exchange for a fee. To provide some background, in the early days of human existence, we'll call these prehistoric times, hunters and gatherers worked individually and as teams for subsistence to feed themselves and their families. Surplus food and items were exchanged or traded in what was called a gift economy, as there was no currency that existed. As civilization and transportation developed, we'll call these biblical times, local trading routes and trading posts emerged to swap goods and services. Trade extended to regional and then later to international points. With the industrial revolutions over the last few centuries, farming moved from family subsistence to profit-driven agriculture. Industries harnessed power and became specialized. International trading became formalized. And then, around 1605, with the advent of multinational corporations, businesses flourished globally. Highly common characteristics of businesses are they deal in the sale, transfer, or exchange of goods and/or services. They have a purposeful organization to support ongoing economic activity. They serve customers where their product or services satisfies a market demand and/or a human need. Their economic model has profit and growth as motives, and they have multiple stakeholder groups. Just as businesses have common characteristics, they also have many differentiating characteristics. These can be grouped into entity types, sizes, activity, industry type, structure, and operating domain. Businesses can benefit from defining themselves in a vision, mission, and charter. Those elements should answer the questions of who are we, what do we do, who do we do it for, what do those people want or need, and how do those people change or transform as a result of what we do. Constructing the purpose of a business generally aligns the definition and characteristics as discussed in the previous slides. They serve customers by offering goods and/or services for a fee by researching, designing, developing, manufacturing, servicing, and supporting those products or services, leveraging the capabilities of materials, people, and tools to satisfy a market demand and/or a human need, delivering value to their respective stakeholders. What is the expected impact of a business? A business facilitates multiple impacts and has multiple beneficiaries. It innovates by creating solutions which address needs, and that benefits customers. It fulfills market needs by delivering goods and services which fulfill the demand and human needs of businesses and people. That benefits customers. It generates revenue. It exchanges its goods and services for a fee, which generates income, and that benefits the owners, employees, and suppliers. Ideally, after paying expenses, the business achieves a profit which benefits the owners and investors. It pays taxes, and that benefits society as a whole. And in most cases, the business reinvests a portion of its profits, and this cycle repeats, resulting in business growth, which benefits all stakeholders, well, maybe except for the competitor. This presentation has covered the research questions of what is a business, what is its purpose, how are businesses categorized, and who benefits from a business. The evidence shows that businesses generally have been good for the evolution and development of civilization. They fulfill needs, they've created employment, they provided opportunity, they generate wealth, and they pay taxes. Hopefully, this presentation has provided a high-level view for developing business leaders to understand the business basics and establish a platform for understanding more advanced topics. We hope you've enjoyed our content. Please let us know. Thank you.